In line with the PPA's thrust to continuously upgrade facilities to better serve port users in the provinces of Surigao del Norte, Surigao del Sur, and Dinagat Islands, PMO Surigao proudly presents to the Port Management Advisory Council the following infrastructure development projects. In line with the medium-term development plan, which primarily is focused on base port expansion and development, PPA management is set to implement Phase 1 of the Surigao Port Improvement Project. Said undertaking is envisioned not only to anticipate the projected growth in cargo throughput, ship call and passenger traffic with the relative rise in mining and other downstream industries, but to effectively divert the flow of cargoes to and from the port away from the city roads. The rehabilitation and improvement of the Marina Wharf is one of the major development initiatives pursued by the PMO, with detailed engineering designs and plans already completed by head office. For implementation by fourth quarter this year, the project involves the development of around 172 meters of berthing space for fast craft vessels and the ferry terminal. Initially, the perimeter fence along Borromeo Street is set to be completed in consonance with the ongoing implementation of the road widening and sidewalk improvement by the DPWH. Once the clearing of the sidewalk along the Port of Surigao's perimeter fence is completed, the newly built gate located at the vicinity of the office of the Bureau of Customs and the Coast Guard Station, Surigao, shall then be utilized. As the new gate becomes operational, a fence shall be built at berth number 1 going across towards the perimeter fence, effectively closing the area where the offices of the Bureau of Customs, Philippine Coast Guard, DOTC sub-office are located, and effectively delineates the area so that people transacting business with said offices will not have to pass through the port area. Only departing and arriving cargoes, passengers, and vehicles are allowed inside the port premises. As the port's cargo gate is relocated at Canlanipa, it will enable the fast and efficient movement of cargoes through a diversion road via Arellano District and exits directly to the National Highway near Surigao Airport. Another major development initiative pursued by the PMO is the development of port facilities at the Lipata Ferry Terminal, serving as the hub to the 3-spoke ferry terminals, namely the Port of Liloan, the Port of San Ricardo, and the recently opened Port of Cabalian. The gateway to Mindanao in the country's RoRo terminal system, the Lipata Ferry Terminal is already undergoing the initial stages of reconstruction and improvement. By the end of this year, the port's backup area will be expanded by about half a hectare to accommodate the increasing volume of rolling cargoes, while additional RoRo berthing facilities will also be put in place to accommodate 2 more RoRo vessels, for a total of 4 RoRo berths. In close coordination with the provincial government of Surigao del Norte, the proposed undertaking aims to connect the islands of Surigao and Bucas Grande to the Mindanao mainland by building a roll-on roll-off transport system, a nautical highway envisioned to play a major role in the provision of a year-round access for tourists and the transport of high-value agri-fishery products to major markets. The nautical link comprises of the proposed ports at Hayangabon in Claver, Surigao del Norte, Doña Helen and Buena Vista at Bukas Grande Islands, and finally connecting to Surigao Islands via Hubang. Initially, the DPWH has earmarked funds amounting to 56 million pesos to construct the road linking the port of Doña Helen to the municipality of Socorro in Bukas Grande Island. The Nautical Highways Road network is now part of the DPWH Medium-Term Development Plan. Facilities at the Port of Dapa shall be improved with the implementation of the Dapa Port Improvement Project. The package involves the upgrading and construction of a backup area, a new Ro-Ro ramp, and a 300 square meter cargo shed. As part of the proposed Surigao Agri-Ecotourism Nautical Highway, the Port of Hayangabon is set to receive major improvement with the implementation of the Hayangabon Port Development Project. To date, soil investigation and final validation of project was already conducted. The preparation of detailed engineering design and plans by head office is ongoing. The Aras-Asan Port Improvement Project consists in the upgrading of existing backup area which include, among others, the installation of deflector wall, concrete curb, and concrete block pavement. The project also covers the reconstruction of existing reinforced concrete pier, the construction of new Ro-Ro ramp, and the paving of existing access roads. To date, actual accomplishment is at 4% as of August 31, 2014. Final validation at project site for the Port of San Jose Expansion Project was already conducted by technical personnel from PPA head office. The proposed project includes the wharf extension by 66 meters and reclamation of about 637 square meters of backup area. The eventual realization of the long-term development program of ports under PMO Surigao will surely improve port safety, security, productivity, comfort, and connectivity of home in keeping with the vision mission of PPA for the next 5 years.